Welcome to Employability Improvement Training for fresh graduates on Information Technology. My name is Ramachandran. I am from Buffalo Industrial Technology Research Institute. Every year, at the time of campus recruitment, we see news reports like this, which says for IIT graduates, job offers are being made with crore plus salaries. These reports are very positive and gives us hope that we also could land up in some such job. At the same time, we see news reports like these also, where some private agencies do some survey of employability of fresh graduates passing out during that year. One such survey conducted has shown that only 1/10 of students from Tier 2, 3, 4 engineering colleges are readily employable. It also found that even after being given training, 1/3 of them are not employable at all. These surveys were conducted across 12 states among students who have consistently scored more than 60 marks. That means it is conducted on above average students, eliminating any error where students below average also participate in the survey. This is very depressing news. Another survey which was conducted by a company called Aspiring Minds in 2011 showed that only 2.68% graduates are employable by IT product companies. IT product companies require good understanding of computer science and algorithm. They also see if the graduates have some domain knowledge and introduction to latest technologies in computer science. IT services and IT operations companies, after hiring, they give 3 to 4 months of in-house training before the engineers are put into projects. Even after factoring this training, they could hire only 13% students for IT services and 16% for IT operations companies. Another survey showed that only 10% of engineering graduates in Tamil Nadu recruited by IT companies are actually employable. The rest of them were lacking in employability skills. What could be the reason for this poor state of affairs? Amit Bansal, the CEO of Purple Leap, a company which did one of the surveys mentioned earlier, says that lack of technical skills is the chief reason for this poor showing in the survey, more than communication skills. It is a general belief that engineering graduates lack soft skills such as communication skills, but his survey has shown that more than communication skill, it is the lack of technical skills which is the reason for such a poor state of affairs. Jayaprakash Gandhi, an educational consultant from Chennai, says that this survey results are not surprising. People can communicate in their mother tongue. Many of the engineers, if they are technically strong, are able to communicate the technical. Many of the engineers lack these skills, making them fare poor in interviews. English can be learned late if they focus on learning technology first. He also says what is more important is the students should know how to apply theoretical knowledge in practical problem solving and analyzing problems. He says the focus currently is on preparing the students for examinations. Practical application in technical education is not available at all. He says since many engineering colleges are in this situation, they produce more unemployable graduates. This is a very sad state of affairs. Professor Anandakrishnan, former Vice Chancellor of Anna University, who currently heads the Board of Governors IIT Kanpur, also says the private engineering colleges currently are working as coaching centers. Their focus is mostly in coaching and are training students to pass the examination based on a syllabus. There is no focus at all to give them additional skills or qualifications. So what to do to rectify this situation? Naturally, one would not want to be in the second category. World Bank also did a similar survey and They published a paper called Employability and Skill Set of Newly Graduated Engineers in India. In their survey, they too found that the results were similar. In their paper, they gave some suggestions to improve the situation. They said the assessments, teaching learning processes, and the syllabus all should be motivated away from lower order thinking skills to higher order thinking skills. Currently, they say the focus is on learning facts, memorizing it, remember going and writing it in exams, but the students lack high-level thinking, higher order thinking skills such as analyzing, problem solving, and they lack creativity. So they say current processes we follow in teaching, learning, and in examinations all should be focused on higher order thinking skills. This training is fully technical. We will focus on all computer science subjects. The focus will be on higher order thinking skills while we go through all these computer science subjects. How we are going to do all these things, how it will help you in acquiring employability skills, ensuring you to be in the first category of employable engineer, we will see in the next class. Thank you.